स्टार्टअपदेखि पाइनियरसम्म, राइजिङ स्टुडेन्टदेखि डिजिटल गभर्नेन्स अवार्डसम्म, यो हो आइसिटी अवार्ड, द बिगेस्ट टेक अवार्ड अफ नेपाल।
Data breach is a very scary term जसमा अर्गनाइजेसनहरुको फाइनान्स गुडविललाई इम्प्याक्ट पार्न सक्छ एन्ड पास्ट 6 मन्थ्समा मात्र हामीले यस्तो 3 वटा एक्जाम्पल्सहरु लोकली नै देख्न सक्छौं जसमा जनरल पब्लिकको इमेल, होम एड्रेस, फोन एन्ड सिटिजनशिप नम्बरहरु जस्तो सेन्सिटिभ इन्फोहरु एक्सपोज भएको थियो। So why do these breaches happen and who can help them become more secure? I am Aditya Khati. I represent Nepal. We were established in 2019 and we are made for security. So our organization comprises of 4 founding members, myself included, and हाम्रो company there is a balance between experienced technical and managerial resources. So नेपालमा धेरै कम्पनीजहरु अहिले छन् जसले चाहिँ नि IS audit and VAPT जस्ता सर्भिसेसहरु for the past 8-9 years देखि नै सुरु गर्दै आएका छन्, but अहिले यस्तो यो ब्रिचेसहरु एन्ड सिक्युरिटी इन्सिडेन्टहरु किन चाहिँ राइज भएको छ त? And we believe the reason is companies in general security awareness and do not apply security practices or implement and invest on such technologies. So हाम्रो company establishment बाट नै first initiation भनेको aware people about ongoing local and international cyber security threats थियो. So we found there were no such mediums to get such information in Nepal. यही mindset ले we started delivering our infosec weekly to 5-6 people जुन अहिले more than 300 plus ले आफ्नो email मा पाउनुहुन्छ भने we also share it on our social media platforms. Parallelly हामीले यो 1.5 years को duration मा various cyber security services हरु पनि offer गरेका छौं र अहिलेसम्म various industries in Nepal such as Nepal government, BFSI, private and payment industries हरुले पनि benefit लिइसक्नु भएको छ। But why are these organizations trusting a 1.5-year-old company? So it is because our company has demonstrated their capabilities by helping even international tech giants to secure their IT technologies. Our professional manpower holds various globally renowned certifications जसले गर्दा we can assure companies that we are technically capable of helping organizations maintain their cybersecurity posture. So since our establishment हामीले आफ्नो सर्भिसको रेन्जमा पनि इन्क्रिमेन्ट ल्याउँदै गर्यौं, so resources trained and certified गर्यौं and we have become partners with local and international security organizations by the end of 2019 and 2020 मा पनि यही ट्रेन्ड कन्टिन्यू गर्ने क्रममा we even participated on a community driven events for cyber security and we became partners with industry leading tech companies such as Logarithm and Tenable and we also added another CEH certified manpower. हाम्रो फर्स्ट एन्ड मेन अब्जेक्टिभ भनेको नै कम्पनीजहरुलाई साइबर अवेयर एन्ड साइबर सेफ राख्ने हो। थ्रेट्सहरु वेब अट्याक्स डसहरुमा मात्र सीमित हुँदैन, एप्लिकेसन एन्ड सिस्टमहरु मात्र अपडेट गरेर will you feel secure or will it be enough? Well, the straight answer is no. There are prime examples of organizations who have a huge investment on cybersecurity products, but social engineering and human exploitation जस्ता टेक्निकहरुले गर्दाखेरि पनि ब्रिचेसहरु भइराको छ। How can we call a company secure when त्यो कम्पनीको weakest link भनेकै like human हुन जान्छ? Human लेभलमा कतिको थ्रेट छ भन्ने भिजिबिलिटी नभएको हुनाले our team has started working on a human risk analyzing and visualizing platform and we call it Social E, where companies can quantify the amount of risk they hold just because their staff members either do not know or do not follow cybersecurity practices. When they see that, we can bundle our expertise to train their organizational members also. As I said, that we have started to work to spread cybersecurity awareness and best practices. र सँगसँगै हाम्रो R&D टिमले पनि लाइक एउटा आफ्नै इन हाउस सेक्युरिटी असेसमेन्ट टुल पनि बिल्ड गर्दै छन् र यो सबै कुरा अघि देखाएको सोशल ई प्लेटफर्म र अहिलेको हाम्रो अनगोइङ कुराहरु चाहिँ बाइ द एन्ड अफ नेक्स्ट 4th क्वार्टरमा हामीले रिलिज गर्ने प्लानमा छौं। So cybersecurity को need भनेको सबै इन्डस्ट्रीलाई हुन्छ, big or small, but SMB and startup cannot put in the capital expenditure required to provision their requirements. यो huge issue लाई address गरेर we have planned our managed and co-managed security operation centers which all companies can utilize to keep them cyber safe. Pastमा we provided security training to Nepal Police of Gandaki province and lockdown को duration मा पनि हामीले एउटा public event host गरेको थियौं र currently international partners are also motivating us to continue doing events that can be beneficial for like IT experts, general officers, students and help them educate more about cybersecurity and its practices. फाइनली हाम्रो यो सर्भिसेसहरूले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ विल बी क्रिएटिङ जब अपर्च्युनिटिज। हाम्रो यो म्यानेज सर्भिसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ बजेट फ्रेन्डली सल्युसन एन्ड लोकल साइबर सेक्युरिटी सल्युसनहरू पनि पुस गरेर आएको छौँ भने वी विल बी अपलिफ्टिङ तपाईँको नेपालको साइबर स्पेस एन्ड रिप्रेजेन्ट एज वान अफ द लिडिङ कम्पनीज साइबर सेक्युरिटी कम्पनीज फ्रम नेपाल। सो थ्याङ्क यू अगेन, वी आर क्रिप्टोजेन एन्ड वी आर मेड फर सेक्युरिटी।
विस्तृत जानकारीको लागि लगइन गर्नुहोस् ictaward.org। ICT Award, honoring the best of technology sector in Nepal.